Imagine the end, not just of Earth, but of the universe itself. Even the cosmos, vast and ancient, is destined for a final curtain call. Three haunting theories loom: heat death, the Big Rip, and the Big Crunch. Tonight, we'll journey through the universe's ultimate demise, witnessing the silent, spectacular, and terrifying events that mark the death of everything. Our story begins at the crossroads of cosmic destiny, where the fate of everything we know hangs in the balance. Here, beneath the endless tapestry of stars, we stand at the threshold of unimaginable futures. Cosmologists have constructed three main visions for how the universe might end, each more profound and mysterious than the last. These are not just theories, but windows into the ultimate fate of reality itself. First, the heat death. A universe where every star is burned out, every planet frozen, and all energy is spread so thin that nothing new can ever form. The cosmos becomes a graveyard, silent and still, where even the faintest glimmer of warmth is extinguished. Entropy rules supreme, and time itself seems to grind to a halt. The universe drifts toward a final equilibrium, where change is impossible and all processes cease. No new stars are born, no life stirs. Just endless silent darkness stretching on forever, a cosmic winter with no hope of spring. Next, the Big Rip. The universe's expansion accelerates, driven by the mysterious force of dark energy, pulling everything apart faster and faster. Galaxies drift apart, stars are wrenched free from their homes, and eventually, even atoms themselves are torn asunder by the relentless stretching of space. Space expands so violently that it tears everything down to the building blocks of matter. Molecules, atoms, even subatomic particles are ripped apart, leaving only a formless void. Finally, the Big Crunch. Expansion slows, halts, and then reverses. The universe, once racing outward, now contracts under its own gravity. Gravity pulls everything back together, galaxies collide in spectacular fashion, stars smash into one another, and all matter collapses into a single, infinitely dense point, perhaps the seed for a new beginning. Perhaps from this ultimate collapse, a new cycle begins. A rebirth from the ashes of the old universe, echoing the eternal dance of creation and destruction. Each ending is sculpted by the universe's own hand, determined by the delicate balance of mass, energy, and the enigmatic forces that shape the cosmos. Forces we are only beginning to understand. The future is written in the stars, but the final chapter remains a mystery. We gaze into the darkness, searching for answers, knowing that the universe guards its secrets well. As we embark on this journey, we'll watch these theories play out through the stages of cosmic decay, witnessing the slow transformation of everything familiar into the unknown. From the drifting of moons to the last flicker of starlight, we're witnessing a tragedy on the grandest scale, a cosmic drama that unfolds over billions of years. Let's begin our descent into darkness and explore the fate that awaits us at the end of time itself. Our sky is ever-changing. Even the moon is slowly drifting away. Every night the moon's journey continues, almost imperceptible to us, but relentless and unstoppable. Over millions of years, this subtle movement will reshape the very face of our night sky. Tidal forces push the moon farther from Earth each year, a movement unnoticed in a human lifetime, but profound over eons. These invisible forces not only shape the tides we see at the shore, but also slowly alter the rhythm of our days and nights, stretching them ever so slightly longer. One day the moon will appear too small to fully cover the sun, ending the era of total solar eclipses. The breathtaking spectacle of the sun's corona blazing around the moon will become a memory, replaced by annular eclipses, a thin ring of sunlight, never fully hidden. These celestial events, once regular and dramatic, will be lost to time. The skies that inspired awe and wonder in countless generations will change, and the cosmic dance between Earth, Moon, and Sun will never look the same again. Our descendants may only study records and wonder at the beauty we once saw. They'll pore over ancient manuscripts, gaze at faded images, and imagine the darkness that once swept across the land in midday. the tides will weaken, nights will grow darker, and the markers of our cosmic heritage will fall silent. The moon's influence will wane, and the world will feel just a little more distant from its celestial companion. The fading of eclipses reminds us, even the most familiar things are not forever. Change is woven into the fabric of the universe, and nothing, not even the moon's shadow, is immune to time. This is the first shadow of cosmic mortality, a gentle prelude to the darkness to come. As we look up, we are reminded of our fleeting place in the universe and the beauty of moments that will one day be lost. Our sun, stable and life-giving, has illuminated our world for billions of years, nurturing life and shaping the solar system. Yet, even this brilliant star is not immortal. In about 5 billion years, the sun will exhaust the hydrogen fuel at its core, ending its long period of stability and swelling into a massive red giant, expanding far beyond its current size. The inner planets, Mercury and Venus, will be swallowed whole by the sun's growing outer layers, disappearing forever into its fiery embrace. Earth may be consumed as well, or left behind as a scorched, barren wasteland, its oceans long gone and its surface unrecognizable. The sun's once golden light will grow colder and redder, casting an eerie glow over the dying world. Its intense heat will boil away the oceans, strip the atmosphere, and erase all traces of life that once flourished here. Eventually, the sun will shed its outer layers into space, releasing vast clouds of gas and dust as it loses much of its mass. These cast-off layers will form a glowing planetary nebula, a beautiful but fleeting shroud marking the sun's passing. At the center, a tiny white dwarf will remain, a dense, hot, stellar remnant, slowly cooling in the darkness. Most stars in our galaxy, including the sun, share this quiet fate, a slow withering away, not a dramatic supernova explosion, but a gentle fading into obscurity. The solar system will become a silent graveyard, its planets orbiting a dim, lifeless ember. The sun's death will mark the end of sunlight, a prelude to an even greater cosmic silence. As one star dies, so too will countless others across the galaxy, each fading away in their own time, part of the endless cycle of stellar life and death. As the universe ages, the fuel for creation is slowly used up. Nebulae, the birthplaces of stars, will fade and vanish as their gas is spent. The Milky Way and other galaxies will see a slow decline in new star formation. Without new stars, galaxies will age and redden, their light dimming as old stars die. The universe becomes a place of relics, ancient stars, cold planets, and the ghosts of nebulae. In time, every galaxy will be stripped of the gas and dust needed to make stars. The night sky will become a sea of black, a haunting silence where once there was birth and brilliance. Red dwarfs, the most numerous stars, burn their fuel slowly and live for trillions of years. In the far future, when suns like ours are long dead, red dwarfs will still shine, but even their time will come. They'll exhaust their hydrogen, contract, and fade. No supernova, just a gentle fading into white dwarfs, tiny dense remnants glowing faintly. As more red dwarfs flicker out, the universe loses its last steady sources of light. The era of stars ends, leaving only embers, white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. It's a soft descent into darkness. The universe grows colder as even the most resilient stars die. White dwarfs will shine for trillions of years, but even they are not immortal. With no fuel, they cool and fade, becoming black dwarfs, cold, dark, invisible. These are the final cinders of stellar evolution, scattered through the infinite night. No light, no heat, only gravity remains. The universe becomes a graveyard of black dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. With the last glow gone, all natural light vanishes. The cosmos is plunged into an absolute darkness, a haunting silence after the song. In this eternal night, Black holes become the masters of the cosmos. They'll consume whatever matter remains. Stars, planets, even black dwarfs. Galaxies will be hollowed out, their contents swallowed by supermassive black holes. Occasionally, black holes will collide, sending ripples through space-time. This is the black hole era, a time of immense loneliness and darkness. Yet even black holes cannot last forever. They, too, are subject to entropy. The reign of black holes is the last grand act, before the final dissolution. Black holes are not truly immortal. Through Hawking radiation, they slowly leak away their mass over unimaginable timescales. Even the largest black holes will eventually evaporate, vanishing in a final burst of energy. The universe, once filled with titanic forces, becomes emptier still. No new stars, no new galaxies, only a thin fog of particles scattered through the void. The death of black holes is the universe's final undoing of structure. Afterward, nothing remains but the slow, inevitable decay toward absolute entropy. Eons pass, and the universe is left with only the faintest whisper of existence. All that remains are particles, protons, electrons, perhaps dark matter, drifting through endless darkness. Even these may decay, reducing all matter to light and subatomic debris. The universe approaches its final state, a thin, cold haze of photons and particles, unable to interact or form anything new. This is maximum entropy, the universe's heat death. No structure, no energy gradients, no possibility of life or complexity. The cosmos is cold, dark, and silent, a mausoleum for all that ever was. The story of everything ends not with a bang, but with an eternal sigh. No matter which theory prevails, the end is written in the laws that govern reality. We are fleeting, a brief spark against eternal night, but to witness and understand is to participate in the grandest story ever told. Our insignificance magnifies our wonder. When the last light fades, only silence remains, a haunting coda to everything that ever was.